friends, today we going to do unboxing of Titan smartwatch. The model is called Titan Smart Crest. It's a luxurious metal design functional crown. We can see on box the functions are written, that is single sync Bluetooth calling, Titan Health, IP68 water and dust resistant, 100 plus watch faces, 100 plus sports mode and 5 days battery life. The price is written on box reverse side, i.e. Rs 11,995. This model was launched on October 2023. It's a new model. Removing the cover box, we can see a beautiful smartwatch having silicone strap and the dial is brown in color. The case material is aluminium. We will do the unboxing step by step and will the items and content of provided with the Titan smartwatch. It contains Titan Smart charging cable in a white pouch. Welcome card, quick smart guide, QR code scan to register, price tag, warranty card. Don't forget to get seal stamped from store before checking out of store. Now, keeping the item aside, we will have a look on watch. Titan Crest with 3.63 centimeters, 1.43 AMOLED display with AOD 466 by 466 pixel resolution and functional crown. Advanced single sync BT calling and 100 plus sports modes. Enjoy handy features like calculator, calendar, inbuilt games, music and camera control, find phone, smart notifications. Comprehensive health suite with auto stress monitor, 24/7 HRM, SpO2 monitor, sleep monitor with REM, breathe exercise.